Getting into plasma cutting can be very confusing as there are so many different machines to choose from out there. So, check out these top 7 best plasma cutters that made the grade and see for yourself. Number 1, most popular. Primeweld Pilot Arc PT60 Torch Plasma Cutter. The Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter is a powerful machine, able to cut up to 7/8" steel in a single pass. This is a dual-power plasma cutter, ready to run on either 120 volts or 240 volts. It weighs only 21 pounds, incredibly light for a plasma cutter with this kind of power. On 120 volt power, it puts out 30 amps, enough for 3/8" steel. The high-frequency no-touch arc starting offered by many machines will interfere with digital electronics. The Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter gives you computer control ability with a blowback torch. Number 2. Lotos LTP 5000D 50 amp non-touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. The Lotos LTP 5000D continues that tradition with 50 amps of power and a 60% duty cycle at an attractive price point. This cutter has no-touch pilot arc starting, capable of cutting up to 5/8" stainless steel plate. The Lotos LTP 5000D only weighs 26 pounds and it features 120 and 240 dual voltage input and a PAPST cooling system based on German technology. This machine uses an external compressor for its high-pressure cutting air. Some owners feel that the ground clamp and ground cable is made a little too cheaply. Number 3. Hypertherm PowerMax 45 XP Plasma Cutter. Hypertherm is unique because cutting technology is all it sells. The Hypertherm PowerMax 45 produces 10 to 45 amps, enough cutting capacity to precision cut 5/8" thick steel plate. It's designed for industrial use to cut metals in factory environments. This machine has dual 240/480 volt power input. Smart Sensor is Hypertherm's system for automatic compressed air settings. It has a torch disable switch for changing torch components. Quick change technology provides rapid reconfiguration of the torch style and tip sizes for clean cuts. The only downside to this model is the lack of a CPC port to control it with a computer. Number 4. Miller Electric 907529 Plasma Cutter. The Miller Spectrum 375 Extreme Plasma Cutter offers dual voltage input power, allowing you to plug into either 120 volt or 240 volt circuits. Miller integrated an automatic air pressure regulation system that evens out fluctuations in the air supply for even, steady cutting. This plasma cutter includes Miller's ergonomic torch with contoured shape surfaces and textured grip surfaces. With a 12-foot torch connection and compact size, the Miller Spectrum 375 Extreme Plasma Cutter is easy to get into those hard-to-reach spots. The Miller Spectrum 375 Extreme Plasma Cutter weighs only 19 pounds and comes with a shoulder strap for easy handling. Number 5. Forney Easy Weld 251 20p Plasma Cutter. The Forney Easy Weld 20p is a powerful and easy-to-use plasma cutter, weighing only 21.5 pounds. This machine is easily transportable. This plasma cutter also features drag torch technology, which allows you to drag the tip directly on the surface of the material for smooth and precise cuts. What's more, this machine is generator-friendly and runs off a standard 120V outlet, making cutting on the go easy and efficient. With this plasma cutter, you can clean cut mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, galvanized steel, brass, and copper up to 1/4. Number 6. Super Deal Cut 50 DC Inverter Plasma Cutter. The Super Deal DC Plasma Cutter comes with dual voltage input and up to 50 amps of output. It can cut up to 1/2 of steel, although 1/4 or less is recommended, especially with the 110/120 volt input. This also comes with a wire and mask, which can prevent you from hurting while using. It is suitable for a wide range of applications including sheet metal fabrication, light industrial use, site work, automotive, ducting work, repair, and maintenance services. If you're after an affordable option, this plasma cutter is a good option for DIY use. Number 7. Sungoldpower 50A Air Plasma Cutter. The Sungoldpower 50A plasma cutter works quite well for a low-quality welder and can cut as well as most welders in this price range. It's useful to have the options of 110, 120 and 220, 240 volt input, and it can sever 3-4 sections of steel, but it prefers 1-2 sections to produce a nice finish. Overall, it's one of the lowest priced options, and if the price is all you're concerned about, this is a viable choice. However, the Super Deal DC Plasma Cutter is a similar price, and we found it's a better value for your money.
Thanks for watching the video.